Greetings. I had mentioned before in one of my videos that I have to work my butt off to get my gold. So thought I'd give you a little snippet of what I do to pay for my gold. So today I'm finished steel working, putting up 4x8 sheets of T111. Weighs about 75 pounds a sheet. And as you'll see, it's sitting about 4 feet up off the ground. So let's get this nailed up. I got gold to order. I get it in this far, and I get it up on my first step, just so I don't have quite so far at one time to go from the ground up to get it. Now you can see I've got it where it'll slide into and over to the seal around my window, because even though I'm going to trim it out with some treated 1x4s, I'm still going to have it where you wouldn't have to if you wanted to, like the next one down here. I mean, they closes off nice, and the way these windows come out, it comes out flush anyway. But so now you lift it up, and I've got my blocks set up, screwed underneath on the plate underneath the sill, so I've got a level place to set it up on, and then squeeze it into place. It overlaps it by about 1/4 of an inch over the next piece, and then so then we go up with it. Yeah. I've got a lip on this one to keep it from kicking off, but I forget whenever I'm putting it up there. So now it's got to be kicked over, and I'm on the outside of my window, so I got to drop it down and get behind it like that. Get around the lip again. There we go. Now you can see I've got my top of my lip up there is out past the window. So that's where I gotta pull the ladder over. I spend a lot of time moving shit around. Of course, the ground's very uneven. I got lucky. I was up about this high last week, and the ladder kicked out on me, so I had to jump. But luckily, it's grass, so it was not bad. But it could have been worse. So there, now it's slid in behind it. We've got a nice tight seam around our window. We're overlapping on our. Y'all's got to watch for shit falling on you. So I need to go over a little bit more on my. I usually use a block for that, so I'm not hitting my edge, but it was just a little tap that we needed there. And then we take as an impact. And chewed it. So I've got my block down here that makes sure that I'm on position. We always slap the level on. And I tend to go with these are called 12-inch centers, because this piece here is actually 10 inches across. It was plus 2 inches. So each side's 12 inches. So you're 12 inches on, these are 12-inch on center T111 sheets. And right there, we're just a hair down on the corner. So I usually have a wedge, or actually my pry bar should be around here somewhere. But in this case, we just take a screw. all that it takes to. Now we're dead on. So that is, now I've got 5 more of those to do. And then at least for the top parts, I'll go back and cut. I got to cut about that much of a piece and put it all the way across the top. And finish it off. You can see I put all new fascia and soffit all the way down. They just came and put a new roof on. And I got a guy I put on the new, had to do new, replace this wall here and put new siding on it, which that stuff's impossible to get now. It's not even in town at all. And I'm going to put a new light up there. And one more window to put in down there. These are new windows here. And then again, about 6 more sheets of this to go. So there you have it. That's why this gold is, yes, oh so precious to me. and the game goes on.